Welcome to Nutrify. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to a healthier, happier you. In this video, we'll share 10 simple daily wellness hacks that can transform your life. Ready to elevate your wellness game? Let's get started. Hack number 1, morning stretch routine. Start your day with a simple stretch routine. Loosen up those muscles, get the blood flowing, and set a positive tone for the day ahead. Hack number 2, hydration reminder. Staying hydrated is key to good health. Set reminders to drink water regularly. Your body and mind will thank you. Hack number 3, mindful breathing breaks. Take a few moments throughout the day for mindful breathing. It reduces stress, increases focus, and boosts overall well-being. Hack number 4, healthy snack prep. Avoid unhealthy cravings by prepping nutritious snacks. Keep them handy so you're always ready to make a healthy choice. Hack number 5, stand and move every hour. Break the habit of sitting for long periods. Stand up and move around every hour to keep your energy levels high and your body active. Hack number 6, gratitude journal. Spend a few minutes each day writing down what you're grateful for. Cultivating gratitude can improve your mood and mental health. Hack number 7, evening digital detox. Unplug from screens an hour before bed. It helps you relax and improves your sleep quality. Hack number 8, power nap. If you're feeling sluggish, a 20-minute power nap can recharge your mind and body, making you more productive for the rest of the day. Hack number 9, daily walk outdoors. Get outside and take a walk every day. Fresh air and natural light do wonders for your mental and physical health. Hack number 10, nightly wind down routine. End your day with a relaxing routine. This signals to your body that it's time to rest and helps you sleep better. Incorporate these simple hacks into your daily routine and watch how your health and wellness improve. Remember, small changes lead to big results. Thanks for watching Nutrify. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks on living your best life. See you next time.